Next one, draw a circle and two lines parallel to given line. Draw outside the circle such that one is a tangent and the other secant to the circle. So here one line given, one circle. Suppose here one line. So this parallel line should draw. This is the tangent and this is secant. Or else sometimes this is tangent. This tangent given parallel to draw. This is secant and this is outside the parallel. Okay, this is example question. Next one. Calculate the length of the tangent from a point 15 centimeters away from the center of circle radius 9 centimeters. Say calculate the length of the tangent. Length of the tangent, again same question given. So here circle drawn and tangent, this radius equal to how much? 9 centimeters and point away, this is 15 centimeters. This how much? Tangents how much? Hypotenuse square equal to sine square plus side square. 15 square minus 9 square how much? 15 square equal to 225 minus 9 square 81. 225 minus 81. 144. 144 equal to 12. So length of the tangent equal to 12 centimeters. Yes or no? Do this one. Next question. Prove that the tangent to a circle at the end points of diameters are parallel. Say end points of diameters. Say this is one circle. I am taking this one tangent, here one tangent. Okay, this is what? Diameter. This is center O, here A and here B. This is PQ and here PQ R S. Okay, this is the diameter. This is diameter. This is tangent line. Here also tangent line. Okay, this is radius only. This point of contact equal to 90 degrees. This point of contact equal to 90 degrees. Yes or no? So means this 90 degrees here also 90 degrees. These two lines are parallel lines only. So OAQ 90 degrees. OBS, this is also 90 degrees. 90 plus 90 equal to 180. This is what? Straight line only. Sum of two interior angles equal to 180 degrees here also. So that condition only here there. See, let O be the center of the circle and A be the diameter of the circle. This is AB diameter. PQ is the tangent draw to A. RS is the tangent to draw. This is PQ tangent. A is the O. OA perpendicular PQ and OB perpendicular RS. Now angle OAQ. OAQ this is 90 degrees and OBS this is 90 degrees. So OAQ plus OBS, these two are 90 plus 90, 180 degrees. Sum of the conjugative interior angles is 90 degrees. So that PQ perpendicular and PQ parallel RS. So the tangent to a circle at the end points of diameters are parallel. Okay? Practice this. 1 minute. Say, if a point lies outside a circle, it is possible to draw two tangents. Say, here one circle, here point outside. Okay, here point to draw one tangent here, this circle, and here to draw one circle, one tangent. So, how many? If a point lies outside a circle, it is possible to draw how many tangents? Two tangents. So this is center. So this is the outside of the point. This point to draw one tangent, here to draw one tangent. Yes or no? this condition. Next one. See, next constructions I will tell you. Next one. Now read. The angle between tangent to a circle and radius drawn at the point of contact. Point of contact equal to how much? Point of contact equal to 90 degrees. Next one. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeters. Say here draw one circle. Draw one circle. Tangent to a circle. This is tangent. Tangent how much? 24 centimeters. And the distance of Q from the center is 20. This is O. Q is here take. So this is how much? 25 centimeters. This is find radius. Find radius. How to find radius? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So OQ equal to 25 square and RQ equal to 24 square plus OR square equal to don't know. This value right left side 25 square minus 24 square equal to OR square. This value how much? 25 square equal to 625 minus 24 square equal to 576. 625 minus 576 equal to 49. OR equal to root 49. Root 49 equal to 7. Radius equal to 7 centimeters. Any doubt? This is it's like this only, right everyone. And one more, if AP and AQ are the two tangents, say AP and AQ are two tangents. One circle drawn, AP. This is the in this common O is A, P, Q, here O and Q. Are there two tangents to circles? O angle POQ. POQ. This angle how much? 110 degrees. PAQ. PAQ. This angle find. Observe here. This is quadrilateral or not? Four sides only there. So here 110. This how much? Very good. 90 degrees. Point of contact 90 degrees. This how much? So 110 plus 90 plus 90. How much? This 180 only. 0, 9, 290. Sum of four angles equal to 360 degrees. So 360 minus 290. How much? 70, yeah? Yes or no? This quadrilateral only 4 angles. 4 angles equal to 360. Here 3 angles there. 110 plus 90 plus 90. 290. Sum of 4 angles equal to 360. 360 minus 290, 70. So this how much? 70 degrees. Yes or no? Next one. If a tangent PA and PB from a point, so this is also last question order. Say here PA, PB, this 90 degrees, this 90 degrees. If center O are inclined to each other at angle is 80 degrees. So APB, this is how much? 80 degrees. 80 degrees means bisecting this point. This is how much? 40. 80 means bisect 40, 40. This 40, this 40, how much? This 40, this 40, this 90, how much? 1. This 40, this 90. 130. 130. This how much? Say this is 80 degrees, right? Bisect means 40, 40. This how much? This angle how much? This is triangle only. Sum of three angles equal to 180 degrees. So 180 minus how much? 90 plus 40. 180 minus 130. That equal to 50. This 50, this 50. How much? 100 degrees. But here asked what? Each other triangle 80 POA. The POA. This angle only asked. Means 50 degrees only. 100 degrees means 50. That is triangle. Next, this also same model. Asking me in the figure XY parallel lines X dash Y dash parallel center O and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting XY at A and X dash Y. AOB. AOB. This angle, total angle. Say this tangent point of contact 90 degrees. Point of contact 90 degrees. This 90 degrees. This also 90 degrees take. Find this angle and bisect that point. Bisect means what? This 90, this square type only. This 90 degrees, perpendicular lines. This 90 degrees, this 90, this 90. 490 is 360. But here one bisecting point, bisect line. Bisect means 90, bisect 45. Okay. Next one, very important question. Yesterday came this question. Two concentric circle of radius 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Say here two circles draw. See this radius is 3 centimeters. This radius 3 centimeters. Larger radius equal to 5 centimeters. So here draw one chord. Say here find the length of the chord of the larger circle. This larger circle, this is the chord, and smaller circle, this is the tangent. Larger circle, this is chord, smaller circle what? Tangent. So this is 90 degrees. Tangent means 90 degrees. So this is right angle triangle only. Right angle triangle means use Pythagoras. 5 square equal to 3 square plus this value take x square. So 5 square minus 3 square equal to x square. This value how much? 25 minus 9 equal to x square. 25 minus 9 equal to 16. X square equal to 16. X equal to under root 16, that equal to 4. X value is 4. This value 4. So here to here chord only. This is also chord. So AB plus PB. This is also 4. 4 plus 4 equal to how much? 8 centimeters. Length of the chord equal to 8 centimeters. This is the chord. Okay. Next one. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is rhombus. This is also very important question. Okay now ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram.